imagine how I felt when I tracked you down and found out you were exactly like me?
I don't have to imagine. No way.
How'd you find it?
I put the word out with patrol. You know, the whole hide in plain sight thing? One Pierre flagged this one and called me.
It's a busy street. Anyone see the driver?
The restaurant manager said it was here when he opened up. Is this the one you saw?
I feel like a kid at his own surprise party. This is the same truck.
It's hard to say. It all happened so fast.
Let's go on a non-forensic geek limb here and say that it is. Why is it still running?
Keeps the back compartment refrigerated.
Dios mío.
Holy shit, the fucking fingertips.
Clean slices, no blood. My guess is he drained the body entirely before these cuts were made.
How do you do that? Some kind of pump?
No. I have forensics do a workup on our last victim. Our guy's old school.
Yeah, he hoists the body up, severs the jugular, the heart does all the work. It's the most effective method, really.
Fucking butcher.
There are 206 bones in the human body. He could have left any one of them. But he gave us exactly what we need to identify the victim. Like he's leaving a trail of breadcrumbs.
I just got my first official homicide call. He's back.
Who's back, the ice truck killer?
That's right. Won't believe where he left the body.
I knew he'd be back. It feels like Christmas morning. Look at that. A miracle on ice. Stunning.
You all right, Dexter?
This is like a dream. Standing on the home ice of the Miami Blades.
I never pegged you for a hockey fan.
Yeah, there's something about standing in a big, cool hall I find very relaxing. So what do we know?
Same as the others. No blood.
So far, I don't see any hesitation cuts. No bones flayed. I think our boy's got his confidence back.
He never lost it. He was just getting bored.
What do you think he's trying to tell us?
That hockey's a violent sport.
What else?
He's escalating the thrill. Posing his victim in the middle of a 20,000-seat arena for all Miami to see. To show them, to show us what he's capable of doing.
What'd I miss?
Relax, you didn't miss anything.
Yeah, but she is. Fingertips.
This body belongs to the frozen fingertips we found in the truck. Sherry Taylor. It's another prostitute.
No blood, no need for me.
Officially, Mr. Tucci has not been charged with any crime.
Then tell the fucking governor to free up some funds for overtime. I mean, the more guys I got out there, the sooner we find Tucci. Kelly, I'll get back to you.
Questioning is still the department's top priority. Turning now to our...
What's wrong?
Fingerprint ID came back on that hand from the beach. Belongs to Tony Tucci, your right-struck killer suspect.
What? Wait. No. No way. No way. I mean, this has to be a mistake.
The mistake, Maria, was unleashing a high-profile manhunt before you had all the facts.
Fuck. Okay. This doesn't mean that Tucci is not the killer. Just
Don't. Just don't. You want to be on TV? Well, get ready, because the press will annihilate us for this. You'll be lucky if Tucci's mother doesn't file a lawsuit. All right. You go talk to that woman. Do your mea culpas. If we handle this right, maybe we can mitigate the fallout.
Tom, I'm the last person she wants to see. I called her son a killer.
And now's your chance to make it right.
Think about his shoes. Did he walk with a limp, or did he move smoothly like an athlete? Try to remember, Tom, for me.
I would if I could, hon. You're a sweet lady and smart, using your charms on me. No, I don't mind. It's probably the last time a woman will flirt with me, looking like this.
It's okay, Tony. Maybe later.
We should try the blindfold.
What?
Oh, I don't want to do that.
I'm sorry, Mr. Tucci. I can't even begin to imagine what you've been through, but it's our job to make sure that nobody else goes through it, too. So, Morgan, you're up.
He was hard to hear. I never knew where he was.
So he's agile. That's good, Tony. What else did you hear?
Rats. Always those damn rats.
Try to focus on him, Tony. What did you hear? What did you smell?
Menthol.
Menthol?
Yeah, like cough drops. He cleared his throat a lot, you know, like... He unwrapped them. I could hear those wrappers, that crinkly sound. And he sucked on them. I could hear him clicking against his teeth when he... Son of a bitch loved those fucking lozenges.
Hey, this morning at the salvage yard, what was that thing by the car?
What thing?
Right before you opened the trunk, you tried to cock block me or something.
I was just looking out for my team.
I didn't see you looking out for LaGuardia.
I would if she'd asked.
I didn't ask.
Fine. Next time, just get your ass shot. It's possible our guy left town.
If he even did it. What if we have a copycat killer on our hands?
That's a bit of a stretch, don't you think?
Just hear me out. What if the person who killed Valerie Castillo was trying to bleed her out like the ice truck killer, but didn't know how?
She wasn't a hooker.
But she was killed someplace else, dumped, and laid out in a ritualistic manner just like all the others.
Except she wasn't in pieces.
But she had cuts on her neck. I'm just saying, with all the media coverage on the ice truck killer, it's possible.
What do you suggest, Morgan?
Let me work up a profile, just in case Jorge doesn't pan out.
Fine, whatever.
The second time today you made that face. Who are you avoiding?
We got one more stop to make.
You sure this is the right address?
According to DMV, this is where Perry lives.
Yeah, with his 7 inbred cousins by the look of it. Something has got to be wrong with somebody that can live in a steel box.
Aluminum, actually. Nina and I had a deluxe multi-sectional.
For real?
It was our starter home.
This is our car. One of the victims was seen getting in a wood-paneled station wagon on the night of her death.
All right, let's take one step at a time, okay? Let's find our guy. Now, according to his files, he works as a computer analyst for Miami Lake. Now, maybe...
Look up. Slowly.
All right, take the front door, cover all the exits, and go into the back. Open up, Perry! It's the police! Open up! Perry! Police! Open up, Perry! Open the door!
Hey, you! I got him! Please stop running, Perry! Get the fuck down! Fuck. Hello?
Is that Eric Carmen?
No. What's up?
I'm running late. I'm in the middle of some housework. If I don't get it done before I see it, it's gonna drive me crazy.
I never knew you were so anal.
And I'm a neat freak.
You're just full of surprises, huh?
Oh, you have no idea. I'll be there as soon as I can, okay?
Okay.
Barbie, be patient. One day we'll share a cold one.
Get in!
Heard you sneak out. Took a guess where you were headed.
Figuring I need a ride?
Figured I could talk you out of it. No such luck, huh?
Well, Deb will be delighted.
As far as I know, you went out for a walk. Jesus, Dex, did you steal something?
Well, my fingerprints are all over it. I figured it was prudent to get rid of the evidence. It's just a box of ashes.
Joe was cremated then. Guess you weren't able to find out if he was injected with anything.
No.
What are you gonna do with him?
I don't know. Dumpster.
I have a better idea. You know, no matter what Harry said, no matter what Deb thinks, that's your father.
Cardboard box.
I know you don't want to acknowledge it, which is why you're running around, breaking, entering, searching for some killer. But you took that because there's a part of you that knows that that box is your real father.
My father. Sounds strange.
I know.
Cooper? Angel Batista. I work with your girlfriend, Deborah.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
I'd like to ask you a few questions, if you don't mind.
Sure. Sure, let me just grab the door. So, does this have to do with a case?
You could say that.
Wow. Well, fire away.
Well, I ran into this lady with a prosthetic hand. Call girl, actually. Said she had a very unique client, an amputee devotee.
You have a lead on this client?
Oh, that's the bitch of it. I don't have a goddamn clue. Except for the freaky sex stuff. I was hoping that you could steer me towards some of those weirdos.
I'm afraid I got into this business to help people get better, not help people get off.
Yeah, I'm sure Deborah will be happy to hear that.
But I can talk to some of my colleagues, see if I can draw up a list of contacts for you.
That'd be great.
Hey, how often does someone get a chance to help catch a bad guy, huh? You in a rush for this information?
No, I'm good. I'm chasing a long shot, really. Well, just give me a call at the station when you got something.
Will do.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
This yacht's amazing. I didn't know you went for stuff like this.
Oh, you have a lot to learn about me. Was that just the phone ringing?
Yeah, Big Brother. I'll let it go to voicemail. He can wait till we're done here.
Good. I want you all to myself. So, let the toasting begin. To what comes next?
You're not drinking. Tastes like menthol. As it turns out, it's not that sexy.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Just bad memories.
Oh, that's right. That was the one clue the ice truck killer left behind, right?
Right. Wait, how'd you know that?
I don't often make mistakes, but when I do, they haunt me.
Hilarious. Your champagne's gonna get warm.
You know the one thing I've been dying to ask you? How did you not know who I was? You're a cop.
This isn't funny.
I think a real cop would at least have a sense that she was the presence of the person that she was hunting. Right?
You're hurting me.
I didn't show you the best part of my loft. I built it myself.
Stop me!
Refrigerated room.
Oh, God, why are you doing this?
You know, the tricky part was getting you on the boat. The other woman I could just pay. At the end, you made it easy. So desperate to fall in love.
Nothing personal. I just wanted to have a beer with you before we got started. Made that kind of difficult.
Sorry.
You don't ever have to apologize to me, Dexter. Not for who you are or anything you do. Looks just like it used to, doesn't it?
Who does it belong to?
Me. I got it for you, actually.
I'm really more an apartment person.
You're trapped in a lie, little brother. The same lie they tried forcing me into.
They?
You know, doctors, therapists, group leaders. What a family they were.
You were never put up for adoption.
Afraid not. You were 3. A little bird with a broken wing. First cop on the scene, Harry Morgan. He wanted to make you all better. But me, I'd see it in his eyes. All he saw was a fucked up kid. They all did. So they locked me up.
I didn't even know you existed.
Of course he didn't. Harry wanted to keep you all to himself. And while you were being raised by the Morgan family, I only had the memory of a family.
Me.
Mom always told me to look after you. Imagine how I felt when I tracked you down and found out you were exactly like me.
I don't have to imagine.